Hey, what is up everybody? Michael back here again, and I thought I would pop in and give you a quick update since my report yesterday of EchoStretch releasing Kstuff 9.x full support, in which now we have full support for PlayStation 5 firmwares version 3.00 all the way through 9.60. So since this has happened yesterday, we have seen over on X, EchoStretch said that hope everybody is enjoying Kstuff. As you know, 9.x is done, and today is focusing on wrapping up 10.0x. No ETA yet, but I'll begin dropping test files later today. And for that 10.0x, I do want to call out that that is for 10.00 and for the firmware 10.01. Now, we've already begun to seeing things like ETA Hen on track to get updated, but I also noticed over here on itsPLK with the PS5 Lua loader that there was just a commit a couple of days ago, and in this, it added the support for PlayStation 5 firmwares up to 10.01, which is really good news for us. And for those of you that may not be familiar with what this tool does, this automatically loads the UMTX kernel exploit, the elf loader, your payloads, and Lua scripts, and more. So you don't have to send these payloads over manually once you have gotten jailbroken. Now, I'm sure by now you're probably wondering, hey, Michael, I've got a PlayStation 5 on 8.00. Would you go ahead and update if you were me? Well, I would say hold off for the present moment, mainly because, as you can see from over here at this chart, right now at 10.00, that one is currently being worked on, and again, the 10.01. Now, when 10.01 gets a green check in it, I will be making a full tutorial of how to upgrade and use this, and I will be coming from a 7.61 machine. So hang tight a little bit with me on there. Now, if you do want to go ahead and update, maybe for example to 9.60, you could come in here and take advantage of one of these backups that master_s9 has created. So they did this really neat little chart here that I thought maybe I would just go over with you all here today. Basically, if you have a PlayStation account activated, then you are going to need to manually create your save data. Otherwise, if you don't and your PlayStation account has never been activated, well, then you can use Master S9's backup that he has provided for the community. Now, that backup was provided in a link right here, and if you download this and restore your PlayStation 5 to it, then it will have all of the saves needed. But again, you're still going to need to have one of those Lua disks. And if we go back to his tweet here, we can see that he does state that this backup does work for PS5 8.00 to 10.01 being the max. And then there was a clarifying message here, and basically it just showed save data, or you're going to restore with itsPLK, which is what I was showing you all just a moment ago. Now, if you are going to go ahead and jump to one of those firmwares, I would definitely pick the firmware over here from this website, as these have been trusted for quite a number of time now. Now, again, you do not want to go anything past 10.01 at the moment, but 9.60 is the last Kstuff supported. So probably don't go past this for right now, but in a couple of days, you would be able to update to this, which again, I will be covering updating to this very shortly on the channel here. Since I had an overwhelming number of people that really liked me showing some of the new releases and what firmwares I thought I would continue that tradition here. So we did get Dead Island 2 Ultimate Edition. And this one, as you can see, works on 9.x and then 10.x, weighing in at 160 gigabytes. And then we also saw today Transformers Galactic Trails. And this one is setting in at 13 gigabytes and it is working on 9 and version 10. And we also got Everspace 2 Stellar Edition. This one is setting in at 68 gigabytes, working on PS5 firmwares 9.x and 10.x. And that was it for today. So 3 more PlayStation 5 games, and I expect we're just going to continue to see this trend. Anyways, thank you so very much for watching, and stay tuned to my channel because I will be providing a full guide for this probably in just a couple of days from now. Anyways, take care and I'll see you on the next one. Michael